Ooh, he's a fighter. Jeez. What in the world is this? It's probably a catfish with the way it's fighting. It could be a turtle. Ooh! It's a nice channel. He's hooked good. So what I'm going to do, reel this line in. See if I can't bring him in. Oh, come on. Damn it. He wrapped himself around something. Damn it. There we go. Damn it. I think I got him out. There we go. I got him out. See if I can bring him in here. Come on, bud. Cooperate with me. Nice hook set too. I might eat him. He's a good eater. Gotta get a picture. Alright. Gonna go ahead and release him on second thought. I think he's ready to go. Alright, good stuff. Holy cow. Something's on. Got him. What in the world could this be? I'm fishing for bullhead right now. Holy cow, this is not a bullhead. What in the world is this? Holy cow. That's a big channel. Let's see if I can get him in. Woo! I got him good too. This thing is a chunker. This guy's bite is killing me. Ow. Alright. Need some pliers. And I'll go ahead and weigh him too. It's my biggest catfish in Arkansas so far. Pretty good sized chunker. Alright, let's weigh you. Not too bad, it's 3.12. Yeah, 3.12. Uh-oh, I'm hooked somehow. She's ready to go. Sweet. Uh-oh. Got something bigger here. Whew. That freaked me out. Looks like a carp, but it's not fighting like one. It's a good catfish. Finally. He's not done either. This guy's crazy. I know there's blue cats out here. That would be cool to catch one, but this one looks like a channel. Come on, dude. Looks like a channel to me. Good cat though. We'll go ahead and weigh him real quick. Hold on there, bud. Hold on. Solid 3 pounds. Cool. Not really big, but oh well. He gone.